Sorry, crazy hair. Didn't really get dressed today. So today I'm washing my car because I have to go down to San Diego for San Diego Comic-Con and I can't show up at my hotel with a dirty car. And also what I want to do is do a quick video update on the Chemical Guys wheel coat. As you can see, these wheels. I hate doing this, but I'm gonna do it so you guys can see how dirty they are. They are really dirty. And I can't say this is all brake dust. It's probably road grime and brake dust. But what I'm going to find out is if I simply rinse off these wheels, does the dirt come off or does it stay and I have to scrub them? So we'll see. Let's check it out. Alright then, moment of truth. I will say, without a hesitant of a doubt, that unfortunately this product did not work as good as I thought it would. Right, let me turn the microphone so you can actually hear me. So I'll say without being hesitant that this product did not work as I thought it would. It seemed to not really stop the road grime and brake dust breakup. And then in rinsing the tire off, you can see where I rubbed my finger and took the dirt off earlier. I would assume the rest of the wheel would be a little bit cleaner than that, but you could see the dirt buildup is the same. So save your money. I don't think this product is the best product for black wheels or even for the way that this car sheds either brake dust or picks up road grime. Unfortunately. Sorry, Chemical Guys.